Morning, welcome to Roosevelt School News.
I'm Gabe.
And I'm Emma.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all.
Earlier this month, Roosevelt School had a Hispanic Heritage Month parade.
Let's go check it out.
There are about 54 million Hispanics and Latinos in the United States. That's a lot of people to celebrate across the country. Hispanic Heritage Month was celebrated with festivals and communities events recognizing the contributions of Hispanics and Latinos in the United States. At TRS, we held a parade in Louisa Park.
Hi, who am I with today?
Marian,
What country are you representing?
Colombia.
What was your favorite part of the parade?
When we walked around.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, who am I with today?
Hi, Ms. Garcia.
What was your favorite part of the parade?
I think my favorite part of the parade was the Weehawken band coming. It brought in like a nice touch and nice energy, music.
What country were you representing?
I was representing Ecuador.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, how did you like the parade?
I loved the parade.
What country are you representing?
We were representing Venezuela.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, a lot.
What's your favorite part of the parade?
Where we were in the basketball court and we could see all our friends representing where they're from.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, who am I with today?
Sierra B.
What country are you representing?
Colombia.
And what was your favorite part of the parade?
I was chasing my friends.
That was great. And thank you for getting interviewed.
You're welcome.
Hi, what did you like about the parade?
I thought the parade was great. It gave the children a chance to showcase their culture, and it was really nice to see so many parents and the community come out and share the day with us.
You liked it?
I loved it.
What was your favorite part?
Like I mentioned, just having so many members of the community come and share the day with us and just really see them so happy.
That's nice. What country are you representing?
So I represented Ecuador at the parade. My husband and his parents come from Ecuador, which means that my children are 50% Ecuadorian as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Theodore Roosevelt School.
Good morning, Gabe.
What's your position here?
I am the supervisor of elementary education.
That's nice. Do you like it here at Roosevelt School?
I love it.
What's your favorite sport?
To play soccer, to watch football.
What's your favorite football team?
The Jets.
Oh, nice. What's your favorite animal?
Cats. I love cats.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who am I with today?
You are with Miss Rizzo.
And what grade do you teach?
I teach 4th grade and I work with a bunch of different teachers.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is probably working out. Love it.
And how are you liking TRS so far?
I love TRS so far. Everyone is so nice. I like being here a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Roosevelt School.
Thank you.
What do you teach here?
I teach 3rd and 4th grade AIM.
What does AIM mean?
Achieve, motivate, and inspire.
Oh, that's nice. Do you like it here?
I love it here. It's really fun.
What's your favorite animal?
I would definitely say a dolphin.
What's your favorite sports team?
The Dallas Cowboys. Shout out to Mr. Callaghy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, who am I with today?
You are with Miss Puso today.
And what grade do you teach?
I teach 4th grade math and science.
And are you enjoying TRS so far?
I am absolutely loving my time here so far.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal would have to be a sloth.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Hi, what do you teach here at Roosevelt?
I teach 6th grade math.
Do you like it here?
I wouldn't say I like it, I would say I love it.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a wolf.
Okay, what's your favorite sports team?
My favorite sports team is the Boston Red Sox. Go Sox, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Hi, who am I with today?
Hi, my name is Katie Schumacher, and I am the founder of the Don't Press Send campaign.
What were you teaching us in the assembly?
The title of the program was called Digital Wellness. So what I'm trying to do is teach children where technology is good and where they need to stay away from, as well as addressing their mental well-being.
Why do you think this topic is important?
Because you are the first generation who are mostly communicating behind screens. And because it's been in our world for so long, we now know the effects, and we want to make you aware of your emotional well-being and how it's affecting your well-being.
I heard you're an author. What books have you written?
In 2016, I wrote a book called Don't Press Send, which is basically my presentation in book form for middle schoolers, high schools, and parents, so they're aware of what's going on behind these apps. And just a few months ago, I published my first children's book, Bye Bye Wi-Fi, which is the day the Wi-Fi went down and Little Fox family found all the fun things they can do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure being here.
This year there is a presidential election.
The two candidates are Donald Trump and Kamala Harris.
We asked you to vote.
Here are the results.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.